Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can get unlimited virtual debit cards. As you can see here, if you go to Mercury account and go to cards, and then from here, you can click here, create new cards, and you can change the card holder. You can add other person in your team members in your team, so he or she can manage the card. So I'm gonna go with this name, and then you can change the nickname here, virtual card, and daily limit, weekly or monthly. So I'm gonna put like $100 daily limit, and just click on create card. Yeah, the card is issued. Now click here, view card details. As you can see, the virtual card is ready to use. So if you click here, you will reveal the card details. And after using, if you want to freeze the card, just click here to freeze it. Yeah, that's simple. If you want to unfreeze it, just click here and it is unfreezed. So you can now use it. So, and you can also change from here nickname, limit, or other options. And if you want to completely delete the card or remove the card, click here. First, you should freeze it, and then from here, click on more and click on cancel card. Okay, yeah, the card is canceled. As you can see, the card is canceled. Yeah, that's simple. So this is a business account, and for Mercury, if you're a US citizen, you can you can open a personal account and also business account. If you are not a US resident, you can only open a business account. So how you can open? First, you should open your LLC from this company, the ITIN. You can also form your LLC company with EIN number and business address, and put your company name and company business type, LLC or incorporation, and also which state. So additionally, you can also order ITIN. ITIN is like US SSN for foreigners, only for foreigners. This is also very beneficial because you can open personal account for for a personal account in PayPal. Also, you can open um, account in this Stripe. They will ask you SSN. You can enter ITIN in place of SSN number. So by going, when you form your company here, and I have talked to them, they gave me a coupon code. If you add that coupon code, you will get a $50 discount. The coupon code is Reza. So as you can see on the screen, if you enter that coupon code, you will get $50 discount. Either you are forming LLC or ITIN, it doesn't matter. But first, you should form your LLC or your US company from this section. Once you open your LLC company here, then go to mercury.com, and from here open account. If you want a step-by-step tutorial, you can read an article that I have written on my blog post. So that's simple, but you need to, during this application, you need to have a passport and your company formation document from the ITIN, and that's it. And also EIN number, of course. And you are ready to apply for a business account on Mercury. And the next thing that I need to say is that the benefits of having virtual debit cards. Virtual debit cards, as you can see, is security. Whenever you want to delete that card, you can delete it. Whenever you want to issue, you can issue it immediately and freeze it at the same time. put limits. And also you can have unlimited debit cards. This is very important. You can have unlimited debit cards on Mercury. It doesn't matter what. And the pricing is here. As you can see, they have three tiers of pricing. First one is no cost, $0 per month. I'm using this one. This is enough for everyone. This one is enough for everybody, I think, for beginners. If you have like large companies, if you need to operate like money application on your account, you can go with this subscription, which I don't need as of now. And this is free. And this is actually a bank. It's not like Wise or Payoneer. It's actual bank. And yeah, that's it. And for more details, you can check the articles that I'm about to write it on my blog post. So I will go step by step so you can read it for yourself. That's it for today's video, and thank you for watching.